Today, we're going to start building your English conversation skills. We'll learn 50 useful English sentences that you can use in everyday situations. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident speaking English. She has long hair. She has long hair. I'm hungry. What's for lunch? I'm hungry. What's for lunch? She has two brothers. She has two brothers. I have 3 pet fish. I have 3 pet fish. I found a bug. I found a bug. We are having a barbecue. We are having a barbecue. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? I need to buy a gift. I need to buy a gift. My favorite season is summer. My favorite season is summer. This exam is very difficult. This exam is very difficult. This exam is very easy. This exam is very easy. I'm very excited about the party. I'm very excited about the party. I don't care. I don't care. You are telling a lie. You are telling a lie. She is my friend. She is my friend. They live in a big house. They live in a big house. This is my book. This is my book. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Can I play with you? Can I play with you? I love my family. I love my family. This is my favorite toy. This is my favorite toy. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Wow, that's awesome. Wow, that's awesome. Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Where is my book? Where is my book? Let's read a story. Let's read a story. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. Can I have a snack? Can I have a snack? I made this for you. I made this for you. Can I go outside? Can I go outside? I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't understand. I don't understand. He has a new car. He has a new car. He works in a hospital. He works in a hospital. I am from Thailand. I am from Thailand. He is a good student. He is a good student. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. She is my teacher. She is my teacher. My birthday is in March. My birthday is in March. Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? They are watching TV. They are watching TV. It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. Can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? My friend is from Vietnam. My friend is from Vietnam. Can we paint together? Can we paint together? I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Can we play again tomorrow? Can we play again tomorrow? Is this your book? Is this your book? I love this song. I love this song. What's that noise? What's that noise? Can I join your team? Can I join your team? Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? I need some advice. I need some advice. I like your outfit. I like your outfit. Can we meet up later? Can we meet up later? It's such a nice day. It's such a nice day. Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? I have a question. I have a question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.